Hi Sneakers, welcome to my affiliate marketing info channel. In this video, I'm going to review a new product called CopyBee. What this product is CopyBee is all about? It's a software that you can also to create about the copywriting function. You can also while you're thinking about the copywriting, you can also to think about email marketing. How you can write your email if you have a blog, how you can write your blog, and also you can also to create anything about the copywriting, something like you have create your own product about the sales page, copy about your landing page, your thank you page, anything about the copywriting. This software will also come to this. If you pay this product, if you want to hire someone to write the email copy, that is also very expensive. And as well as you have a blog, you won't want to create a consistent blog post. Hire someone is also very expensive. But this software Copycat will also with this function. You can also do all about the copywriting. So if you want to use this CopyBee and also to save your time and money, please stick with it because I also prepared some special bonus for you in order to help you to make more money as well. And anyway, please stick with me till the end of the video because I also prepared something special for you if you stay with me till the end of the video. And also just for reminder, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on notification. If you enjoy my video, don't forget to smack the like button and leave the comment if you have any question. Let me to jump into what my exclusive bonus for you. If you pick up Copycat, you will also get my 9 exclusive bonus. The bonus one I also give you this product that is also included done for you product. That's also done for you product. And the next part is all about how you can create your own product. After you create your own product, you can also to launch it on any marketplace, something like JVC Wallets or even Kickbanner. Then you can also to drive how you can build a buyer list, because the buyer list, when you build a buyer list, email list, buyer list is much more valuable than freebie list because they have a credit card, they are ready to buy. Bonus number 2, I also will give you 100% done for software. That is also come with a done for you blog website and blog article. Bonus number 3, I also give you this one. You can also create this free account, and you can also create your this free account. You can also get other people to share your blog post. Then you can also because the more people will share your blog post, then you will also get more organic traffic from Google. Bonus number 4, I also give you this surefire wealth stealer membership. Also what you will get. If you get this, you will get the latest ebook software, pop in audio video that also give away. You can also give away as a lead magnet to build your list, build your email list. Reseller, master reseller with private legal white. Private legal white is also the come with you can edit anything you want, edit your photo, name, brand, logo, anything you want, and then you can also sell this product at your own and keep 100% commission. Bonus number 5, I also give you free website, and you can also make money very fast by selling private legal way. You can also use this private legal way as I also mentioned before, the Wife membership. You can just Sure Wealth Stealer membership. Get this product and how you can use file edit and sell this and make more money. Bonus number 6, I also give you free membership. You can also claim this free membership. All you have to do is give away this free membership. You can get paid in 2 ways. If they pick up any solo app package, if they pick up any upgrade, you will get paid. Bonus number 7, I also give you free available camera. Create your account, watch the video, and then they will teach you how you can promote the software. Because you have to promote it when they become an active member, you will get payment after month. Bonus number 8, I also give you free training. That is how you can set up your affiliate marketing business in 2 hours. Just watch the training step by step, and you can set up your affiliate marketing business in 2 hours. bonus one I also will give you 2 嘅 render 嘅 bonus， also you can use it and bonus one X video 嘅 traffic is also the come to X traffic video traffic 啦。The second is Go Stock. They also come with white label. That you can also to use this software and resell this as your own product. They also come with if you pick up any upsell and downsell, also included 10 more bonus for you. O2O bonus one iGram machine. There's also a software you put your Instagram account to put your like and comment. Then you can also attract more Instagram followers. There's also the free traffic as well. Pinterest traffic automator 啦 ，pinch your image from your WordPress to your Pinterest account, then you also to get more free organic traffic from the Pinterest 啦。O2O bonus 50 Facebook photo contact ，you can host the photo contact and you can also to capture the real Facebook email address and then you can export this in a CSV file and into your autoresponder because you will get your real email subscriber 啦。O2O bonus for article submitter, you can also submit all of the article, 100 of article get directly with this software. You will save your time and you will save your time. If you want to, if you individually to submit yourself. O2O bonus file, you will get 99,000 get PLR article for your blog post. I also will give you the O2O bonus 6 2,500 email swipe for your email marketing. O2O bonus 7 puzzle book profit included 9 videos will teach you how you can publish low content book on Amazon. O2O bonus 8 exclusive bonus package included training course, software, report, Freebies download and free workshop. I recently added free more training will teach you how you can make money with YouTube. O2O bonus 9 blogging profit discover how you can create profitable blog. O2O bonus 10 30 days to bigger email, how you can build a bigger email list 30 days. And all my exclusive content will be delivered to you inside the warrior as before the countdown timer is 0. Simply check my description below. The first thing they will come to this bonus page. When you come to this bonus page, when you practice any blue button, you will be directed to the sales page of the CopyBee. If you pick up CopyBee, you will get my 9 exclusive bonus. But if you pick up any upsell and downsell, you will also get my 10 O2O bonus. Let's take a look at the sales page now. Copycat, and you can see the link timer. You will also do the every 6 seconds. You exit pop up have $3 discount. You have just for pick up this up. You will get $40, and other than that, you will also get my 9 exclusive bonus. AI power the copy and connect contact writer. Smart AI technology that generates unlimited copies on and content about any topic in 60 seconds or less. White sales article, letter article, email, VSS, script, webinar, slide, or more in hundreds of minutes without wasting any time writing a single word. They also come with dedicated customers. They also come with over 18 AI copywriting. You can also have this also you can use for yourself, and you can also do them as a service to your client and charge any price you want. And okay, anyway, I also to go inside the members area. Before I jump into the members area and show what this product is all about, and please just for reminder, please stay with me until the end of the video because I also prepared something special for you. Please stay with me until the end of the video. And also just for reminder, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn notification. If you enjoy my video, don't forget to smack the like button and leave the comment if you have any questions. Okay, let's jump into the members area. Okay, jump into the members area. You can also just see the copy kit. It's also what you can also create a copy because I also included a very in-depth demo video which you can also to watch this on my bonus page and let you to see that on my bonus page when you scroll down in the middle of the page. You can also to see the CopyBee get short walkthrough. There's also about 7 minutes and 57 seconds. If you want to have a short walkthrough, short demo video of the Copycat, you can also click here to watch that, and you will open in a new tab. Copycat 嘅 demo 啊 is also about 1 minute and 49 seconds. It's also the overview and what does it go, how does it work 啦。But anyway, I just want to let you to see inside the members area. It's also very clean and easy. You can also to easily understand it. It also included different copywriting. You can also to use the website, email, blog, AdWords. There's also about advertising, startup, social media, sales letter, e-commerce. That's also personal. For example, you can also do copyright website copyright. You can also do landing page Microsoft list question generator. For example, I want to use this you can also to use the blog post, conclusion, blog idea, intro, bullet point, blog title, for social media. I just let you to see. You can crossword post, crazy YouTube idea, hashtag generator, Instagram 嘅 caption, Instagram 嘅 product show suitcase, short text relatable experience, keyword generator. Just sales letter. I just let you to see some of the sales letter. Sales copy, for example, I just let you to see what is it. I also know what is the product. I also use this product, Freebies writer. If you don't know what is Freebies writer, there's also a software to create to rewrite some article and all you did. Freebies writer. Freebies writer. I just have rewrite it. There's also a product description. And then finally, what tune would you like to associate with your brand? There's also a different brand. Light-hearted, natural, happy, affordable, classy, luxury, family, modern, young, global. I just want to affordable, then create copy. When you can also see that. This is also a different copy that you can also use that. After when you want to use the copy, you can also copy or add it to the favorite, and then you can also to translate. For example, I copy this and I want to use. Just let you to see. And you can see there's also a blog post about what this product is all about. Then you can also to add to the favorite, and you can also to translate. Click here. This is also you can also to translate in any language you want. You can also to see any language you want to if you want to Spanish, for example. It's also you can select any language you want to and then you can also copy. Then you can also to translate any language you want. This is also what you will get inside the members area. If you want to know how this, you can also to see my demo video on my bonus page. Anyway, I just want to let you to see what are the price and upsell as well last year. $70. If you after exit pop-up have a $3, then you have to just for pick this stuff. Copycat $40. Poll $37. Poll is also have a more. I think it's also a more advanced feature. Agency $67 as $47. If you want to start your agency business. Enterprise traffic I think I recommend that you can also grab the poll because they have the more advanced technology. And other upsell is about the traffic. Traffic is the more important. More traffic you have, there's also you can have more clients to come to and write anything you want. Then you can also trust any price. So in my opinion, upsell number 1 poll $37 downsell. Upsell number 4 traffic $47 downsell. That's also I highly recommend you should grab this at least upsell number 1 and upsell number 4. And other upsell that's also up to you that you can also to see the sales trader when you go through the payment processing lah. But anyway, if you pick up any upsell, you can also to see the demo video lah. Click here to demo video and the short walkthrough lah. And if you pick up this product CopyBee $40, you will get my 9 exclusive bonus lah. But if you pick up any upsell, I recommend that you can grab the upsell number 1 and 4 and about the poll and the traffic upsell number 1 and 4, you will also get my 10 OTO bonus Just to let you to see the OTO bonus for the value is $497 All my exclusive bonus will be delivered to you inside the Warrior Plus before the countdown timer hits 0. Simply check my description below. The first thing they will come to this home page. When you come to this home page, when you press any blue button, and you will be directed to the sales page of the CopyBee. If you pick up a CopyBee, you will get my 9 exclusive bonus. But if you pick up any upsell, I highly recommend you to pick up the upsell number 1 and 4 about the poll, more advanced feature. Upsell number 4 is about the traffic, and you will also get my 10 OTO bonus. Thanks for taking time to watch till the end of the video and also to check out my CopyBee review and bonus. And also just for a reminder, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification. If you enjoy my video, don't forget to smack the like button and leave the comment if you have any question. And also thanks for taking time to watch till the end of the video, because I also prepared 10 freebie you can instantly access. All you have to do is check my description below to get your 10 freebie. And also don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye for now.